Right now, I'm going to read you a quote, and you're gonna guess who said this question.
Okay.
And I'm not going to read you the options.
Oh God. Okay.
Does that mean we're going to have to start paying for coffee?
Wait. I know the answer.
Yes.
It was Chandler.
Yes. True.
After Rachel announced that she was going to quit being a waitress.
Yes.
Gunther, I quit.
Does this mean we're gonna have to start paying for coffee?
Now, with my turn. I really like this quote. Well, the fridge broke, so I had to eat everything.
Of course, it's Joey.
Well, the fridge broke, so I had to eat everything.
It's Joey, yeah.
It always gets me.
I know, so hilarious.
Yeah. Okay. That is so cruel. Why? Why would a parent name their children Bethel?
Okay, I remember this. I believe it was Phoebe.
Yes. Yes, it was Phoebe, of course.
Rescued him from some lab.
That is so cruel. Why? Why would a parent name their child Bethel?
Who is Fika? Why is he getting all my money?
It was Rachel.
It was Rachel, yeah.
Who's FICA? Why is he getting all my money?
Rachel doesn't know anything about the real life because she never, paid tax or something like that. But she turned into a really confident woman.
Yes, very confident and successful women.
Yes.
And I really like this line.
Yeah. Okay. You know who's not great? Men.
You know who is not great? Men. Wait, was it Monica? I seriously cannot remember this. I believe it was Monica. Yes, I'm gonna go with Monica.
No, it was Rachel.
It was Rachel.
Yes.
You know who's not great? Men. You're a man, right, Ross?
Yeah?
Sit down.
Okay.
From what episode again?
It was the episode that they were assuming, that they showed us how would the things go if their choices would be different.
I see, now I remember it. You are the worst best man ever. That's a bit hard.
Okay, I'm thinking about the best men's, and I think Ross said that
Ross.
to Joey.
Joey, okay.
I know it's not Joey.
Hmm.
It's going to be either Chandler or Ross.
You're gonna go with Ross?
Yes.
Okay, that's unfortunately
Was it?
not true. Chandler said this to Joey.
You lost the ring. You're the worst best man ever.
Yeah, you were
Oh.
right about that part.
Mm-hmm.
Joey was the worst best man ever. And you remember why he said that?
No.
Well, remember that episode where Joey lost Ross's grandmother's ring?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and
Yes.
then Chandler responds, "You're the worst best man ever."
Okay, this is one of my favorite lines, ever.
Okay.
Halloween is so stupid, dressing up, pretending to be someone you're not.
Dressing up and pretending to be someone you're not. I guess I'm gonna go with Chandler because he always comments on stuff like that. And I feel like, I'm gonna go with Chandler.
It's Joey.
It's Joey?
Yes.
Look, Halloween is so stupid. Dressing up and pretending to be someone you're not.
You're an actor.
Joey says this to Chandler, and Chandler responds "You're an actor. You
Oh my
always
God.
have to pretend like someone you're not."
Okay. Meet Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Of course,
obviously.
Phoebe.
Well, I'm no longer Phoebe Buffet.
That's great. You changed your name?
Yes, I did. Meet Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
Yes. She's crazy.
Crazy. Who would change their name into something like that?
Banana hammock.
Princess.
Princess banana hammock. Okay. Brussels sprouts. That's worse than no food.
It was Ross's line.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Brussels sprouts!
That's worse than no food.
In the Thanksgiving episodes.
Yeah, how could you remember this?
I remember it because it's so iconic.
You know, if I were you, I would probably answer like, it's about food, so it has to be something with Joey.
Yeah, but you see, that food is so disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
It's not only about Joey, it's about everyone.
You're right.
Now, my turn again. I wasn't supposed to put beef in the trifle.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Yes.
I wasn't supposed to put beef in the trifle!
Rachel did the trifle. Yes, Rachel.
Trifle with beef.
Yes. So my final question in this part
Okay.
is going to be, they don't know that we know that they know. You have to use your logic to know this question.
Yes. They don't know that we know that they know.
Yes.
They don't know that we know that they know. Was it Rachel, I believe? We know it. They knew about their relationship with Monica and Chandler.
Yes.
And they knew that they knew it. And Rachel and Phoebe knew that they knew it. I'm gonna go with Rachel.
It's Monica.
It is Monica?
Yes.
But see, they don't know that we know that they know.
You know, like, they know it,
Okay.
but they don't know that we know they know.
I feel like Joey from that episode. And after some points, you just lose the track.
Yes, exactly. Like, normally I know, you know, I can understand the quotes without looking at the subtitle. But in this episode, I was like, what they were talking about.
I know. And first you're like, okay, I can see the sense in it.
Yes.
And then you just lost. You're
Yes.
just lost.
Exactly.
Now, my final question from this part. She is his lobster.
Phoebe.
Phoebe, yeah. And they were supposed to hold hands.
Yes.
Like a couple of old lobsters.
Yes. She's really cute.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Okay, now I'm gonna go with final part. I'm gonna ask you some questions with the options, and you're going to choose only one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with an easy one. Okay. Who is 80? Rachel's ex-husband, Joey's father, Chandler's crazy roommate.
Chandler's crazy roommate.
Yes, that is correct.
I know this question.
Have we met? It's Eddie, you freak, your roommate!
Now with my first question. How many sisters does Joey have? 7, 6, or 5?
7.
Seven. Big family.
Yes, very big family. Okay. What is Ross's Thanksgiving sandwich's name?
Okay.
Gravy Beauty, Moist Maker, Moisty.
Gravy Beauty somehow sounds a bit more familiar. That's why I'm gonna go with A.
That is incorrect, unfortunately.
Was it Moisty?
It was Moist Maker.
Moist Maker.
Yes.
How could you remember that?
I call it the moist maker.
No, I love this because when he was talking about the the importance of the sandwich, I was listening because he's going crazy about the sandwich, so he has to be really good. So I was listening in carefully, and then he said like, I call it Moist Maker.
Oh, wow. I had no idea.
I
That's a
want
good
to
question.
try this sandwich recipe
I know.
sometime.
Because it's Monica's.
Yes.
And she's a great chef.
Yes.
Now, it's my turn. What is the Joey special? Meatball sub with extra meatballs? A pizza and a sub? Or 2 pizzas?
2 pizzas.
2 pizzas?
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, it was one of the reasons that I just said that Joey's favorite food was pizza. Okay. Where did Rachel start to working after Central Perk? Bloomingdale's, Ralph Lauren, Fortunato Fashion.
Fortunato Fashion. You just told the answer.
Yes.
I'm not supposed to drink coffee. It makes me gassy.
I know.
Yes, I just realized that.
Yeah, but I still knew the answer. But if it weren't for options, I would have forgotten it.
Yes, me too.
Now, my turn. Okay. Which one of these actors or actresses didn't join the series as a guest star?
Okay.
Okay. Winona Ryder,
She did it.
Your life, and I'm not gonna let you take that away from me.
Brad Pitt, Tom Hanks, and Robin Williams.
He's got access.
I don't remember Tom Hanks. Is it Tom Hanks?
That is true,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, because I would remember if I would see Tom Hanks.
Exactly. Do you remember Robin Williams?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
do.
I love him, and seeing him in Friends made me
Yes.
so happy. That
And
time.
I love Brad Pitt and
Of
also
course.
Winona Ryder.
Yeah, and they were married. I mean, Rachel and Brad Pitt were
Yes.
married. That was cute.
What is Chandler's middle name? Mildred, Muriel, Marjorie.
It is Muriel
Yes.
because
Chandler Muriel Bing. Boy, your parents never even gave you a chance, did they?
I remember it because I read a book where there was a character named Muriel, and I was like, "That's Chandler's middle name."
Yeah. It could have been like Mildred
Mildred.
too.
Well, Muriel is supposed to be a family's name.
It is a family name.
Yes, true. Chandler and Bing. Chandler Muriel Bing.
God, I know. Now, okay. Monica's dad gives away his blank to Monica as an exchange for ruining all of her childhood stuff. Was it a Porsche, or his summer house, or his expensive watch?
Porsche.
Porsche.
What's this?
It's the key to my Porsche.
Yes.
Okay, my last question here. What was Richard's son's name?
Okay.
Jake Burke, Timothy Burke, Billy Burke.
Even though I'm not sure of the answer, I'm gonna go with Timothy.
Yes, that is correct.
Dr. Richard Burke is out of town. Dr. Timothy Burke, his son, will see you now.
Ready?
But that's so detailed.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because he is only one episode. He appeared only in one episode, and then I guess they were calling like Tim or something.
Yeah, probably. I don't remember calling him Timothy.
Yes, it was really big detail.
Yeah, I only remember that he was a eye doctor, just like his father.
Yes, yes,
Now with my final question. Are you
Okay.
ready?
yes.
What was the name of Joey's couch? The one that Rachel broke. Was it Steve, Rosita, or Barcalanger?
I know that Barcalanger is Chandler's couch's name, and I know Steve is their TV's name.
Your TV's name.
So I'm going with Rosita.
That
of course.
is true. Yeah.
Okay, come on, help me move this.
No.
No?
No. Rosita does not move.
And did you realize that only Joey's couch was a female?
Yes, and then but their TV is also male. Like
Yes, Steve.
So you guys, thank you, Rukiye, for
course.
doing this with me. It was really fun and really great
I agree
episode.
with you.
I hope you liked it too. If you liked this episode, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's really important for us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.